One of the most joyous times of the year is finally here. The 10-day Ganesh Utsav has begun, and with that, devotees across the country are welcoming Bappa into their homes with sweets, dance and music. The festivities mark the birth of Lord Ganesh, who is seen as a symbol of wisdom, prosperity and unity. Mumbai's iconic Lal Bagh Cha Raja has been decked up and is ready to welcome devotees. Anant Ambani and Reliance Foundation have gifted a magnificent 20 kg gold crown to Lal Bagh Cha Raja that adorns Bappa's head. Meanwhile, security across the city has also been heightened. 13,000 police personnel have been deployed to maintain the law and order situation in Mumbai. The Mumbai Coastal Road will also stay open for 24 hours during the 10 days of festivities. Now crossing over to my colleague Shweta to bring us more on the celebrations. Shweta, show us where you are. Take us through what exactly is taking place this morning as everyone welcomes Bappa home.
Well, absolutely. Let me begin with Ganpati Bappa Moria, and here we are situated at Worli, and I'll show you the beautiful visuals of Ganesh Chaturthi, where every lane, every nook and cranny of Mumbai, you will be seeing decked up with beautiful, mesmerizing Ganesh Pandal. And as we go inside, there are several Ganesh Pandals which are in fact older than Lal Bagh Cha Raja, and my video journalist Sachin is also showing you the splendid visuals of Valisa Naka. And remember, when it comes to this particular pandal, it's more than 102-year-old. And of course, when we speak about the significance, it's all about uniting together, and of course the festivity, the mood, the enthusiasm of people, the vivid colors what we bring to you as we move further. Now remember, there are several pandals who are yet to do their first aarti, but here this is one of the again oldest Ganesh Pandal of Mumbai. We can just speak to some of them. सर, ये एक सबसे पुराने गणेश पंडाल में से है, इसकी काफी मान्यताएं भी हैं। आज क्या कहना चाहेंगे, ये जो 10 दिन का पर्व है कैसे देखते हैं आप?
नहीं, 10 दिन का पर्व ये अच्छा है गणपति का। ये हमारा इधर आनंद का माहौल रहता है जी। और ये बहुत पुराना गणपति है हमारा, वर्ली का महाराजा जी। वर्ली का महाराजा ये जी। और ये 9 साल आपण पावतो हा गणपती, त्यामुळे आम्हाला याच्यावर विश्वास आहे गणपतीवरती। बिल्कुल, मी मराठी बात कर रहा हूँ। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
वेल, definitely, you know, while we speak about Ichha Purti Ganpati, I can just show you the glimpse, just because, you know, we were informed that the aarti is yet to be done, but of course the decoration and everything looks so beautiful, so mesmerizing, and the first look of Bappa right here, and we see how beautiful the Murti of Bappa is, while we understand that as soon as the first aarti happens, the lot of celebration will be taking place. And you know, this time it's been considered that how it can be made eco-friendly, as well as the size and height of the Ganpati is also kept in mind. Now remember, when it comes to the celebration, people have become more aware about the sustainable development, at the same time celebrating with enthusiasm, and no one can forget these 10 days of Ganpati Bappa. While we understand the gist of Mumbai, we'll quickly have a word with sir. So, you know, while we understand this is one of the oldest pandal over here, tell us about the significance and the celebration. How does it go?
ये 102 years हो गए गणपति यहाँ पे आते आते, और ये इच्छा पूर्ति है। यहाँ पे जो भी मनोकामना होती है सारे भक्तों की पूरी हो जाती है। और इसका दूसरा इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि ये जो मंदिर है सत्यनारायण मंदिर, ये 116 years ओल्ड है और ये मंदिर में आ रहा है। और यहाँ के वर्ली के लोग सब सार्वजनिक मिलके सब ये गणेश जी का उत्सव सब लोग करते हैं, और इच्छा सबकी पूरी होती है यहाँ पे।
Well, absolutely, Ichha Purti Mandir and this Ganpati Bappa, you know, while we will be showing you throughout the day prominent pandals, but where we have started our day with, it is one of the oldest pandal, and of course Ichha Purti, when we speak about the South Mumbai, it is one of the famous pandal here. Back to you.
All right, now let's also talk about what exactly is taking place on the ground when it comes to the security situation, considering that we also know that the road, the Mumbai Coastal Road, is going to remain operational 24/7. So what can people really expect when they go out on the ground today?
Well, that's right. In fact, not only us, but entire Maharashtra understands the significance of the Ganesh Chaturthi. And while we understand that the coastal road, yes, that is going to be open, here what we see for the seamless travel, there should be no traffic congestion. People should not face any kind of difficulties, especially in traveling, commuting to one pandal to other. Where we are located, in this lane itself, there would be more than 10 pandals. And this is the beauty of Ganesh Chaturthi in Mumbai. And here we have seen that not only the state, in fact the civic body has also taken a vital decision, very much calling that the entire patch of coastal road will be open so that the devotees do not feel any hassle while traveling and celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi.